Ascent's a small medium enterprise who works primarily within defence in Australia. Basically a veteran-owned, Australian-owned company, about 30 people. We're growing quite rapidly at the moment. Our expertise is in explosive ordnance certification, engineering services. We do a lot of systems engineering, a lot of project management as well. We consist primarily of engineers, project managers and technicians. And we primarily support the Commonwealth either directly or we support defence primes. So we're at Land Forces today just to sort of get the brand out there, to I guess diversify our customer base, to talk to clients we already have, to talk to new potential clients, and to really just advertise what Ascent offers to the Department of Defence. Land Forces is a great opportunity to see customers who maybe we don't get a lot of face time with, where maybe our name is a bit more of a household brand name in some areas, in other areas it's less out there. So that's what we're trying to get from Land Forces today. The strengths that Ascent has to its customer base is really, we fundamentally offer our staff. We try and pick the best staff available. I know every company says that, but the reality is we've got good systems engineers who are also good project managers, who are also good communicators, and often a lot of them are ex-military, so they understand the customer, and so they understand the customer's problems. They can see the problems quickly and easily, and they can apply a skill set to fix that problem. The other thing is Ascent's got a lot of people from a lot of different areas, and so you get access to effectively the hive mind, for want of a better way to describe it, of people who have in excess of 25 years in some areas of defence experience in both the sea, air and land domains. So obviously, the Department of Defence is spending a lot of money. There's a lot of upgrades, a lot of systems coming, particularly systems with explosive ordnance and weapons on them, which is obviously one of our core business areas. And so that's the obvious growth path for us, and that's the greatest opportunity. I think the biggest challenge of the flip side of that is being able to find the people to be able to do the work. We get a lot of demand, particularly for the high-end personnel who are good project managers, who are good systems engineers, who have the unique explosive ordnance experience, the unique platform experience. Those people are not that common, and they're hard to find. We spend a lot of time and effort courting potential employers. That's a challenge, I think, across defence. At the moment, irrespective of where you operate, it's particularly challenging in the EO world because obviously there's not a lot of civilian-created explosive ordnance expertise. And so that does create problems and shortages. I think the changes with COVID to the greater acceptability of a remote workforce provides some strengths to the Department of Defence because it gives us flexibility in offering people recruitment opportunities. And not everyone wants to work in a CBD, not everyone wants to work in Canberra. As long as there's good communication skills, as long as you get the right people, they can operate remotely effectively in most instances. I'd say probably one of the downsides of it, and has been problematic, is training our graduates. Graduates come in, they have a base understanding, but they really need that face time with the experienced personnel and the customer to really understand their problems and to really have a value add later on in their career. And so it's hard for them to get that if they're stuck at home for 6 weeks. So that's been problematic, but we've sort of aggressively tried to manage that and just push on as business as usual.